Welcome to this technical guide on high-precision oscilloscopes, where we learn how to see electricity clearly. An oscilloscope acts as the camera of electricity. It's a high-speed camera for voltage, helping us visualize how electricity moves over time. Precision matters because we need to capture every tiny change in electricity. High precision gives us a cleaner picture, revealing small noise that lower-quality tools often hide. The probes are the hand of the oscilloscope, touching the circuit to feel the electrical signal. For high accuracy, the probe must have low loading, meaning it does not alter the signal it is touching. High-precision oscilloscopes use 12-bit chips, offering 4096 vertical voltage levels. This is 16 times more detail than a standard 8-bit chip, allowing engineers to find tiny, previously missed errors. Higher resolution is critical for seeing small changes. While an 8-bit scope offers 256 levels, a 12-bit scope provides 4096 levels, revealing much finer details and smaller signal variations. The analog-to-digital converter, or ADC chip, is the heart of the oscilloscope. This digital translator takes real-world electrical signals, the analog, and converts them into the digital numbers shown on the screen. Three key specifications are important: sample rate, which dictates how many pictures are taken per second; triggering, which tells the scope when to start recording the wave; and processing, the math used to clean the signal. Capturing a wave involves 4 steps. The probe feels the signal, the ADC translates it into numbers, the data is stored in memory, and finally, it is drawn on the display. Low noise design is achieved through strong shielding, which blocks outside radio noise, hardware filters that remove fuzzy lines, and clean power for internal chips. Signal integrity is paramount. High precision in the oscilloscope architecture ensures that the measured signal stays true to reality.